guys, how you doing? So I'm here. I see you in a moment. Okay, let me change.
No.
Oh, somebody is here. Let's see. Oh, how you doing? Come inside.
Okay.
So hey guys, how you doing? So today I'm with my friend Kelvin. If you know my YouTube video, subscribe. My YouTube video is Kelvin 68. Okay? So I will leave you his channel in the description and comment below. Yeah. And also, so today's video is gonna be about this fidget spinner. This fantastic fidget spinner is getting like famous. And like, people, like every time when I go when I go outside, I see people with this because people always like this. People like this a lot, right? Yeah. So today we got two different fidget spinners. If you have a question, leave it down below in the comments. Yeah. So subscribe for this channel. And maybe maybe you know a little my old
Fidget
channel.
spinner?
Yeah, the fidget spinner and my channel. My channel, if you didn't know, it was like we speak Spanish. And
But now
let's
we
go.
change.
Yeah. I changed my channel. So let's start with this video and let's go to 1,000 likes. Please, that's gonna help us. Really?
Give us a thumbs up and subscribe for a lot of million videos.
Yeah. So let's go. I'll see you in a moment. So guys,
So back here.
So we have this fidget spinner. The two fidget spinner cost
My another one. This is not mine. Those are his. I got 3, and one my mom bought. 2 my mom bought, and my dad bought me 1.
Yeah. So as you know, we're young, so we don't have money. So these 2 are mine. He has 3. That's his. And I have these 2.
And her sister, she got 2.
Yeah. So this
Can buy in $4.
yeah. You can buy it in like all the stores.
But
It's famous.
yeah, you know what? The Chinese one, like here, right here, that one, the important, you can buy it and it will like next, and you can go and see it next to Chinese, like next to Toys R Us, but it is in Chinese.
Yeah, so you can check out this fidget spinner in
And
Chinese stores.
And go to Google and
Search.
check it in there.
So this light up in the night.
Yeah,
It's really cool.
I got one that lights up only.
Yeah, so that's all for
This video
Yeah,
and
this-
subscribe.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.